That kind of hurt. I went away camping this past weekend, and I drank wine slushies by the pool, no shirt on. I am literally like Mr. Krabs from SpongeBob, from here down to my waist, shoulders, everything. So wearing that backpack blower really sucked. But here, watch me mow this yard, and then I'll finish telling you why I haven't made a video in over a week. So usually this time of year we only book camping places close by. That way if I get behind during the week on mowing, I could just fly home with the GMC on Saturday morning, grab this truck and trailer, go finish my mowing, come home, take a shower quick, go back to camp, and we're good to go. But this past weekend we had camping booked farther away with two other couples and their kids, which turned out to be an awesome weekend. A lot of fun, great people. We all had a great time. It was in the 80s and sunny with zero rain all weekend. A lot of fun. But so they were calling for rain toward the end of last week, so I just worked until dark almost every single night to get ahead. By Friday morning I had 2 properties left from my Thursday list and 4 left from my Friday list. That's how far ahead I had gotten. I just hustled, but plus I knocked out a big hedge trimming job when we did get that rain, and I got soaked doing that bad. But anyway, that's why I didn't make a video all last week. I need a little break anyway. I've been pumping out a lot of videos, and I need a little break from videos, but I was just really rushing all week to make sure I didn't get behind excuse me, and make sure I was good to go for the weekend, because I wasn't driving back home from being that far away. So anyway, that's the deal. But I got sunburnt and blowing off that driveway with the backpack blower. It is now it is 1:56, and that was my first lawn today. It rained all night last night and most of this morning till about 11 o'clock. So now I'm out cutting, trying to see whatever I can get done. Today is Monday, tomorrow no rain, and they're calling for rain Wednesday through Sunday for the rest of the week. And we're supposed to go camping again next weekend, or this coming weekend, but that's at the closer campground. So I told my wife I'm not so sure that's gonna happen, so we'll see what happens. But let's get some more mowing done, because it's supposed to start pouring again this afternoon. sometimes you have to get rid of dead animals for a customer. So it's all part of the job, I guess.
It's raining. Come in here.
Yeah, get in here. It's raining in here. Or it's raining out there. So this was short-lived. This is what happened to me today. Now, as you guys know, with this PowerChute, I put, watch your leg there, Bubba. I put the switch right here, right? So I set it up so if I push a switch forward, the chute will go down. If I pull it back, the chute will come up, right? So watch when I push it down. It goes right down. Now when I push it back, nothing. It doesn't come back up. It's not moving. So I had to actually pull it out today and like that. And I'm sure that's grinding the teeth in there and probably destroying that motor. But I don't know. The only thing I could think of, now it's gotten wet before when I was mowing, no big deal. It's supposed to be a sealed waterproof unit. So I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. I washed this mower yesterday with a pressure washer, but I made sure to go around it. I never sprayed this direct. You know, obviously it got wet, but I never sprayed it direct. So I'm not really sure what the deal is here. I may end up having to replace that already. But if that's the case, then that's crap, because like I said, it didn't get that wet. Just like I said, going around it with a pressure washer, never sprayed direct at it. And but that's weird. You'd think if it was because it got wet and too much water in there, it wouldn't work at all. But I'm not an electrician. I don't know electrical by any means. So maybe what I'll do is just take it off and have Ryan test it, because he's an electrician, and see what's going on. But maybe replacing that already. What do you think about that?
Yay!
Yay? Yay that it's broken? Or no, that's not cool,
no,
huh?
I'm saying yay because you're gonna get a new one or whatever.
I might end up having to get a new one. I might not even have a choice.